How to change variant picker type from buttons to drop-down in Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your variant picker type from buttons to drop-down in your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. As you can see in my product page here, I have variant picker color. So there are black, white, and brown, and these are buttons. So I want to change it to drop down. It's gonna be very easy. So you can open your Shopify dashboard and then you can go to your online store here. And then in the theme page, you can go to your edit theme here. You can click on it and it will brings you to the website editor. So now you can go to your page. So maybe you want to go to this page or your product page, any product page you want, you can click on it. So this is the page as you can see, and now you can navigate to the sidebar and you will find product information here. You can click on it and then you will see there is details tab here and there is variant picker here. You can click on it and as you can see there is option. There are two options, drop downs and button. So you can just click drop down here and it will change to drop down as you can see if you click it and it will be drop down like this, and then also you can customize the padding and others option here. I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.